Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the alignment tool. So let's start by putting 3 boxes on the work plane and get them a different size. I changed their color so it will be easy to see. Now let's select all shapes. You can use the mouse or press the Ctrl+A key to select all. Now let's click the Align tool from the top menu or use the L key instead. You can see we got 9 new black circles around those 3 boxes. Let's click on the middle one from the left. As you can see, the boxes are now aligned in the middle, but they are still flat on the work plane. If we click the one underneath it, and they will all align to that side, and the same goes on the top one from the left. Let's click the middle left and the middle right to get them aligned to the center. If you click the middle handle, all the boxes will disappear except the big one. The reason they disappeared was that we aligned them inside each other. Use Ctrl+Z to undo that last alignment selection. While still all selected, rotate the boxes to stand up like a building. Press Ctrl+D to bring it up to the work plane. Now that we understand the Align tool a bit better, it is time to build something cool. So we'll start with a simple rocket and take it from there. We'll start with the tail section using the blue star and add a cylinder and tube. Let's change the colors so it will look more like a rocket. Now we can duplicate the cylinder a few times to make it longer. And add the nose cone. First, I will try to align the item manually so you can see how slow it is. As you can see, when you are doing the alignment manually, you need to look from a few sides, and it never really comes out 100%. And now we'll move some shapes around and realign them with a few clicks. The alignment will speed up the build, and also make it so much more accurate. As I build, you can see I'm using a lot of duplicates and the same shape to create most of the parts. I find it easier to build like that. Once we are done with the basic rocket shape, we can use what we learned so far about grouping and duplicate to improve the rocket. Quick reminder, every time you group you lose your colors, and you need to click the multicolor checkbox to get it back. Try to build your own rocket. Practice using the group and align tools. It will be great to see what you came out with. Please share. Okay, that's about it for this lesson. In the next lesson we'll learn about the mirror tool.